Hey AI art enthusiasts, welcome back to Skill Curve. So today in this video, we're going to talk about another amazing AI video generator that can create amazing videos for you just by adding your script. And not only that, it can also convert any blog post and article and convert that into an entire video. So yeah, I'm talking about Pictory.Ai, which is a powerful AI tool that enables you to create and edit professional quality videos using text without needing any technical skills. So in this video, we're going to talk about all the features of Pictory.Ai, which are script to video, article to video, edit video using text, and visuals to video. So without further ado, let's jump right into it and explore this amazing AI video generator. Alright guys, so first of all, you need to go ahead and go to this website, Pictory.ai. So this will direct you to the interface of Pictory.ai where it says easy video creation for content marketers. So this tool is directly targeted to content creators and content marketers, and this will help you to create like amazing videos from your script or anything you like that I'll show you in a moment. So after that, you need to go ahead and click on Get Started for free. Alright, and after that, it will direct you to another tab where it says Start with your free trial. Okay, so this tool basically allows you to use this free trial for 14 days. From there, you can go ahead and access lots of features in Pictory.ai. So first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and sign up with my Google account real quickly. Alright, and after that, it's going to say Start your 14-day free trial. And in that, you just need to go ahead and put in your credit card information or any card information, and it won't charge you anything. So the first 14 days is going to be free, right? So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put in my card information real quickly. Alright, so I'm all done, you guys. So over here, you can see we have now 12 days because I just put in my card information yesterday. So now I have 12 more days left. I can create 3 more videos in my trial period. And over here, you can see, so these are the features that we can get with Pictory.ai. So first of all, we have script to video, then we have article to video, then we have edit video using text, and visuals to video, okay? So yeah, you can see we also have recommendation like, for whom these features are suitable. So these are recommended for educational videos, listicle videos, coaching videos, step-by-step guides, and the article to videos are recommended for blogs, press release for HTML article, and just like that, okay? So first of all, let's just go ahead and explore this script to video feature, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on proceed, or if you are curious like how it works, you can go ahead and watch tutorial about this feature from their official YouTube channel, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on proceed and let's test this out. So it's saying enter your video name and start typing here or paste your script using Control V, right? So let's just say the name of my video is Top 5 Best IT Companies in 2024. And over here, you can go ahead and start typing your script. So let's just say if you aren't familiar, like how you can write your script, so worry no more because we can get help from ChatGPT in that matter. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into the ChatGPT and ask it to write me a short YouTube script for my YouTube video on topic, and the topic was Top 5 Best IT Companies in 2024. And straight away, ChatGPT will basically start generating the script for you. Like, wow, this is absolutely beautiful, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and copy all of this script from ChatGPT right here, like all the way from the introduction, because we already have the title over there. So yeah, come back to my Pictory.ai and paste it right over here, okay? So yeah, here goes my script. And from here, you can see we have few more options like scene settings, okay? So first of all, we have auto highlight keywords. So it will basically start highlighting the keywords that are there in the script. So this can be very useful for you guys. So auto visual selection. So, any important visual or any important thing that will be in the video that it will generate by itself. So it will auto visualize that and create new scenes for both like sentence, line breaks. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like that. Then we have paste from clipboard and highlight. So we also have the highlight function. So it will basically help AI find better visuals for the highlighted scenes, okay? So yeah, now I think everything looks fine. I'm just going to go ahead and jump next, click on this proceed button, and it will take up a bit of a time. So it's saying, please wait while the video storyboard is being created. It's analyzing our text, searching visuals. So we'll just take under a minute. So you just need to go ahead and wait for it for that. All right, so it's done. It's just creating scenes right now. We are like 22 out of 26 scenes are done. Okay, so it's almost done. Just need to wait for a minute. So here we go. Just like that, our AI generated video is ready. So first of all, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, basically, generated all the scenes by itself, like everything with the help of AI. Like, wow, this is absolutely been fantastic, right? Then you have the option of visuals. So yeah, over here, these are the visuals is selected for our video, which was top 5 IT companies. So yeah, for that, these visuals look absolutely perfect, right? Then we have the option of audio. So basically we'll go ahead and, take audio that will suit the perfect. So it has taken this advanced technology, which is this. So I think for the title, this audio looks perfect, but if you don't like it, you can go ahead and choose any one of it from the browse that they provide. Then we have the style, so you can go ahead and add text to style according to your need. Then text, branding, like all these options, you can go ahead and play with those just according to your need, okay? All right, and over here, you can see we have the options of the format. So you can choose landscape will be you for YouTube or Vimeo, portrait for TikTok, Reels or Shorts, and square for Instagram post, okay? So yeah, then we have the scene duration. So you can go ahead and maximize your scene or minimize the scene just the way you want it. So let's just say I'm very much good with 5 seconds for every scene, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do 5 seconds for every scene. Click on apply to all scenes. So my all scenes now will be 5 seconds, okay? All right, so now I'm just going to go ahead and click on this download video button and just going to wait for that to be download and see how our video looks like, okay? So first of all, it's processing scenes and it will generate video and then it will be downloaded, okay? So we just need to wait for that. All right, so it's saying our video is now ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on download button. So yeah, just like that. So it will start downloading our video, which was top 5 best IT companies, okay? All right, so this is how our video looks. Like, wow, take a look at the result. Like, the fonts, the visuals, the transitions, everything is top notch to the point. Also the background music, all right? So this is how you can just, with few like tweaks and few settings, you can now create a whole AI generated video out of script. Now you don't have to go ahead and search for the visuals and everything. You just can use Pictory.Ai to create those AI videos for you out of your script, all right? All right, so next up, let's just go ahead and explore this article to video feature where it says copy, paste the URL. So over here, you can go ahead and paste any URL of like blog posts or everything, and it will go ahead and change that to video. Like, wow, this looks absolutely great, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and click on proceed. Before that, it's saying copy, paste the URL. All right, so let's just say for reference, I'm taking this blog post, Scope of AI, a complete guide to its endless applications, okay? So it basically shows everything about like AI and its scope, like the evolution, AI in everyday life. So it's a very useful blog. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to copy this link, come to my Pictory.Ai, paste it right over here. And let's just see how this article, like how Pictory.Ai will convert this article to video. Okay, I'm just going to click on proceed now. So yeah, now it's basically extracting key messages in the article. It's taking all the information that's there in the blog post, and that it will convert that into an entire video, okay? So let's just wait for that. All right, so the extracting is all done. So here we can see it has taken the highlights over here. So yeah, the green headings are the highlights that I took from the blog. So yeah, we have the AI powered summary. Scene 1 is gonna be this, scene 2 is this. So it has basically created the scenes from this blog, and through that, it will create the video for me. So yeah, now let's just go ahead and click on next. All right, yeah, so it's basically analyzing text, searching visuals, and creating the video for us out of this blog right over here. Like, I'm very excited to see how it turns out. So let's just go ahead and wait for our final output, okay? All right, so this is the video that I got out of my blog post, all right? Take a look at this. All right, so it's a 2 minutes 17 seconds long video, and it has really cool visuals like the text, the font, the background music, everything is to the point, right? So it's crazy, like, just with the help of one URL, one blog post, you can change that. You can basically convert that to an entirely video. Like, you don't have to make a script, anything. It will do that on its own just with the help of AI, right? So it's crazy. All right, so next up, let's just go ahead and explore this edit video using text feature. So it says input video from various resources. So it's recommended for add subtitles automatically, cut portions of video, create video highlights, add logo intro and outro, right? So let's just go ahead and explore this and see how it looks like. All right, so first of all, it's saying either you can go ahead and upload a video, or you can attach a YouTube link to that as well, or you can try with a demo video. So I'm just going to go ahead and try with the demo video and see how good it looks, all right? All right, so over here we have a video of like Prime Minister, and there is some kind of a speech happening. So over here we have a script, we have a transcriptions. So now what it basically does, it will go ahead and remove that filler words for you. Like, let's just go ahead and see from here. Like, there are some filler words like, wow, I said like, or something like that. So with the help of AI, you can go ahead and, cut the scenes with the help of text. You can see we have the option of remove filler words, remove silences. So this will basically go ahead and, just like that you saw, we have the filler words before like, and something like that. And if I can go ahead and press this on, so it will now remove all those filler words for me, okay? And yeah, with the help of these, you can go ahead and remove silences. So anything that will be more than 2 seconds, or you can go ahead and adjust that. So it will remove that automatically as well, okay? Then we have the option of the aspect ratio. You can select landscape, portrait, square. Let's just go ahead and select square this time, all right? You know what? I think landscape was pretty good. And yeah, after that, you can see we have the option of auto highlights. So over here, you can choose between 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 20. So let's just say if you choose 30 seconds, so now it will take the 30 seconds, like the highlighted part in the video, and it will create that part for you, like, for your Instagram reel, like for your TikTok or anything like that. And you can change the landscape, like you can change the aspect ratio from here as well. You can change that to portrait, select a 30-second video, and straight away you can choose the highlighted part that has been chosen by Pictory.Ai and upload it on your socials, right? So this is amazing. All right, so now last but not least, a very important feature, which is visuals to video. So now you can go ahead and drag and drop your images to this, and it will basically turn them to video, okay? So let's just go ahead and explore this. All right, so straight away it has asked me to input our images. So let's just say these are some of the AI generated images that I have, and I want to create a montage out of that, okay? So let's just say if I select all of those images, all right, and I just upload it right away. So we are 24 files selected. I'm going to hit on upload. All right, so it's uploading my 24 files. I'm just going to go ahead and wait for a moment. All right, so it's all done. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and click on proceed. All right, and just like that, it will take a bit of a time and change my images into visual. Like, it will create kind of a montage for me from the images that I input. So as I told you guys earlier, I want to create some kind of a slideshow montage out of this AI generated video so that I can upload it into my socials and say like these are some of the AI generated images that I created out of the AI generated tools, right? So yeah, it is basically providing me the scene. It will like put a background music, everything. It will do that for me with just by uploading the images right over here, okay? So yeah, now if I can go ahead and download this and see how my video looks like. All right, so this is the final result, you guys. Take a look at this. So this is amazing, right? Like everything is to the point, the background music, the animations, everything is top notch, right? So yeah, this is how you can go ahead and create like montage slideshow from Pictory.Ai just by adding your images to that. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, guys. This was the exploration of Pictory.Ai. We talked about all the features like script to video, article to video, edit video using text and visuals to video. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.